Did you know that small daily habits can have a big impact on male vitality and energy after 40? Many men over 40 notice changes in stamina, circulation, and overall energy. The good news is, simple routines can help improve blood flow, support hormones, and boost overall wellness. Today we're looking at a daily routine that helps men feel stronger, more energized, and confident. Section 1. Morning Circulation Boost. Start your day with gentle stretches for the legs, hips, and lower back. These movements improve circulation, wake up your muscles, and help your body get ready for the day. Just 5 to 10 minutes of stretching increases blood flow and flexibility. Regular morning movement supports overall energy and stamina. Section 2. Hydration and nutrient-rich breakfast. After stretching, hydrate with a glass of water and eat a nutrient-rich breakfast. Foods high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats provide lasting energy and support heart health. Staying hydrated helps blood flow and keeps circulation strong throughout the day. Small dietary choices each morning can make a big difference in vitality. Section 3. Midday movement and activity. Don't sit all day. Take breaks to walk, stretch, or do light resistance exercises. Moving regularly supports circulation, helps hormone balance, and prevents stiffness. Even short 10 to 15-minute walks boost energy and support long-term wellness. Daily activity is one of the most effective ways to maintain male vitality. Section 4. Stress management and relaxation. Stress can affect circulation, hormones, and energy levels. Take a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing, meditation, or journaling. These small relaxation routines help lower stress hormones and support recovery. Daily stress management is a key part of feeling stronger and more energized. Section 5. Evening light exercise or stretching. End your day with gentle stretches, yoga, or light resistance exercises. These activities relax muscles, improve blood flow, and promote better sleep. Focusing on the lower back, hips, and legs is especially helpful for overall circulation. Evening movement can help your body recover and maintain energy levels for tomorrow. Crescent Moon. Section 6. Sleep and bedtime routine. Sleep is when your body restores itself. Maintain a consistent bedtime, avoid screens 30 minutes before sleep, and keep your room cool and dark. Quality sleep supports hormone balance, circulation, and energy for the next day. Combining good sleep with daily movement and nutrition maximizes male vitality. So remember, morning stretches, hydration, midday activity, stress management, evening movement, and quality sleep are all part of a daily routine that supports male vitality after 40. Small habits every day can add up to big results in energy, stamina, and overall wellness. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment about your favorite daily habit, and subscribe for more men's health tips.